How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It rained last night. Of course, I was inside. The fan's been going all day and all night. Just wondering. All good. Always nervous when I forget to close that fan. Yeesh. So I'm still in BC. I'm still visiting my parents with my little girl. We're actually taking off for a little bit of a road trip to another town for a couple of days. My dad has an appointment in one of the cities, and my mom and kiddo and I are gonna go with him, and we're gonna stay in a nice little hotel and just kind of have a little vacation within a vacation, I guess. My mom was really excited to take my little girl there, so that is the plan. Mitchell and his girlfriend are still here. They'll be headed over to my brother's place later today after breakfast. And the biggest item on the docket today before we can hit the road is that we've got my dad's boat moored down at the dock here. So I'm gonna take Mitchell and his girlfriend Asia for a little bit of a boat ride back to New Denver. My dad will haul the trailer over there and we will take the boat out of the water. So it'd be nice to actually get back on the water, even though it won't be like an exploratory trip or going to a beach or whatever. Although I say that now, and it's quite a cool morning here. This is actually the coolest morning since we've gotten here. And there's a bit of a breeze, which if there's a bit of a breeze up here, sometimes means the lake will be even breezier. So we'll have to keep our eye on that. Maybe we won't get on the boat and we'll just have to leave it attached to the dock. Because when that lake gets choppy, the last thing you want to do is be on it. Just trying to get together a few things here for the trip. I've got our entire travel bag packed. It's in the house. I need a few more things like a fresh thing of baby wipes, which I keep stocked in my water station here. I'm gonna take this salve from Catherine. There's been a lot of bug bites happening on this trip, yikes. And as for the roof, the paint job, it looks completely and utterly whack, as they say, but I'm okay with it because it's covered up the bare metal, so rust inhibitor, and it matches the color of the rest of the shenanigans going on the outside of Lucky. Lucky will be staying here, as will the cats. My mom has recruited one of the neighbors to come check on their cat, so another quick check-in on Stella and Penny won't be much of a tall order. They will stay. That's why they're out in the catio right now, getting their outdoor breeze on, the stank blown off them and all that good stuff. And yeah, we'll load them up with water and food and a nice clean fresh litter box, and everything should be good to go. It's almost like living back in sticks and bricks when you would go away on vacation when you had animals. As you do. This stuff has been tasty as all get out. It's actually a couple days later now. I did zero filming yesterday and just enjoyed my time out here with the family, which was nice. I still did a bunch of editing because I have to keep on top of that or it just gets away on you. But yeah, this stuff, pretty darn good. And with that ginger ale, yep. Now, I'm gonna bring my Switch. I don't know why. I highly doubt I'll have any time to be playing it, but you never know. I'll grab my Switch games. All right. What else? I probably should take a flannel because it is a little breezy out, like I said. I've actually got this one that I ordered a long time ago. I haven't even opened it up yet. The Hollow Point. Who knows? Of course, the days that we go away, which I guess is a good thing because we're away from the lake, which is where you want it to be hot. These 2 days that we're going to be gone out of town are the coolest of this entire trip. And that's not a leave off to Calgary after we're done. We'll be coming back here and we'll still be here for 4 or 5 more days, 3 or 4 more days. I've lost all sense of time. I also had the absolute worst sleep last night. I sleep on an air mattress in the basement outside my kiddo's room when we're visiting. And that air mattress is actually very comfortable. So it's not so much that, it's so much the child that woke up at midnight sideways on the bed, completely uncovered. And then a couple hours later, the pukey cat right beside my head that disturbed my sleep. And that all has resulted in a very, very sore back for me today. Now I realize I don't have any water out here. I have to restock the fridge. What do I have? Ah, this is just what the doctor ordered, see? Ginger ale with your painkillers. Get it in you. I'm hoping that does the trick. Oof. Sadly, I never got around to trying to make these sandals that Leopard Girl sent me fit. I was going to get around to it last night. I put them on my feet. There's a whole thing where apparently you can put socks on and put them on your feet. These guys, right? I got these a few videos back. They were too large. And apparently if you put socks on and then smash your feet with a, not literally smash your feet, but hit your feet. Why are you so violent towards feet? Good grief. But use a hairdryer over your foot. It helps the material sort of shrink up around the size of your foot. But unfortunately I put them on last night and I went to like slide my foot in. The strappy completely broke. Hashtag sad day. I'm not gonna lie. I might become that guy on this trip if I can find a pair. Mitchell's girlfriend rolled in with a, albeit Minecraft branded version of them. But man, Crocs are just starting to look super comfortable. I've never worn a pair personally, but it might be time. Who knows? I don't think I would go with a Minecraft version though. But I'm not a teenage girl. Right? I still got the solar panels all covered up with that paper from when I was spray painting. And I think I'm just gonna leave it on while we go because there's a Canadian Tire where we're going and I'm thinking about picking up a couple more rattle cans of that spray paint and doing the driver's door before we head back to Calgary, just because it's such an exposed piece of nasty metal. So I'll just leave the paper up there, but that means that it's also covering solar panels, which there's not a lot of power draw happening in Lucky right now. Literally just the fridge and that rear fan going, just so stuff doesn't get so insanely hot in here. So I'll probably leave that going. And this fan is still completely and utterly broken. But when the door is closed, it does create a suction and this thing spins in the in direction and does create a little bit of a circle out. All that is to say, I'm plugged into shore power and keeping the batteries topped up that way, just because, especially on a day like today where it's looking a little bit more cool and a little bit more overcast. Not that temperature has anything to do with solar power. It's not pulling a lot because of that paper. So, shoreline for the win. I'm gonna put all this stuff. I got all my little suction cup mounts for my cameras here. I'm gonna reattach this GoPro mount to this guy. This is what I was using as my little handheld device to hold my GoPro when I was diving into the lake in the last couple of videos. And that was only because I couldn't find the proper flotation handle for it, which I located last night. So that's gonna be coming with us to the pool and on this trip, and then hopefully able to utilize it a little bit more when I get back. It's just safer that way. If it comes off your hand, it will float. Whereas all of this is very heavy metal that would have sunk to the bottom of the damn lake. Gonna reattach all of this here. It's just a threaded situation. And all of this stuff here, minus the GoPro mount up here, is by a company called Small Rig. You can find them on Amazon. They make so many little awesome camera accessories for stuff like this. See the brand right there. Small Rig, suction cup mount, and then this articulating arm, which helps move the camera wherever you want it to go. And I got my GoPro 9 here. Unfortunately, if you watch my videos from Elkwood with my buddy Jordan, I had this guy mounted to my axe like a moron. Pretty cool shot. I was pretty proud of it the way it turned out. I was able to edit it and you couldn't really tell, but I showed at the end of the video that the camera actually popped off of the axe in one of the outtakes, and you can see that the screen it suffered the most from that little endeavor. So I don't use this one underwater anymore. It's bigger than the 8, but this one is natively good to just go underwater, but I can't imagine it's a good idea when it has that sort of crack on it. Still works just fine though. There we go. Ready to rock and roll. It's quite a weird looking piece of equipment, I suppose, once it's all together, but hey, that's just the way it is. Give myself a little bit of cover here. Hopefully the neighbors aren't peeping out the window. Not that it matters, but I'm gonna very quickly change out of these Dixon board shorts because they're just a little breezy, and put on my more utilitarian cargo shorts. Actually, they're not cargo shorts. They're, what the heck are they? I do not remember. Ooh, everybody just calm down. Khaki? No, khaki's a color. I can't remember, but I have them in shorts and pants, and they're very, very comfy. They've got proper pockets, belt loops, and got all of my shit on them. Matches the purple and black a little bit better than the black and red. Not that I give a shit about fashion sense. Alright, camera, switch. hollow point. May have to put that on if I do get the boat, because it might be a little breezier on the lake, as I said. Wipes, I may as well finish my ginger ale, waste not, want not, all of that. Lights off. Oh yeah, the salve. Okay, GoPro accessory kit. That'll be for after anyway. Right. Just put all this stuff in this bag maybe, instead of lugging it down and just bring 2 bags. Probably a smart move. Oh yeah, gotta go remember to give this to my dad. Really, really good movie. We used to own it on VHS when I was younger and we all lived in the Willow Park house. And I think you can actually get it on Amazon Prime right now. But my dad and I are a little bit of suckers for DVD, physical copies of certain things. This movie's really good and I've had it for a while in my possession. I found it at the thrift store and I've been meaning to give it to him. So let's get that out of our lives. Alright, put this in here. Yeah, bring the shorts just in case. Who knows? Maybe I'll have an accident. Not like that. And my good old boat license. Had to fetch this out of my boat last night. Should probably be putting it in the boat that, you know, has an engine. Hi. How was your cereal? I was outside getting stuff ready for our trip. Are you ready for our trip? Good. Where are we going? You know where we're going. Oh. They'll definitely notice it there. Hey, my cup. You'll also take the boat key and put away my goop. Let's go put that back in the garage. How you guys doing over here? Hi, kiddos. I know, it's a nice cool day. You don't have to act all exhausted and lay down to get the heat off your bellies. Meow. Yeah, good girls. Don't worry, Stella. Just enjoy the time whilst you have it, okay, darling? Alright, garage area of Lucky. I really need to... Hey, maybe somebody can recommend something. So on this blanket, which is the amazing blanket that my cousin made for me, well, she didn't make the blanket, but she put all the patches on it. I really love this blanket, but as she do, Miss Pukey McPuker Pants got a little schmutz on it, but you don't want to put this blanket in the washing machine because some of these patches are just glued on. So if anybody out there can recommend some sort of like spray solution to clean cat yuck without having to, you know, submerge the whole blanket, I'm open to suggestions. Anyway, garage area of Lucky. A lot of stuff in there. Not going to open it right now because this stuff just sits back here with the construction adhesive. It's like a whole science experiment going on back here. Yikes. One's clearly drying her hair. What is that? Oh, they're taking the Merc, I guess, not the Buick. That's the car you kind of want to have on a long road trip. Comfy AF. What are you doing? Are you following me? Hi.
Yeah.
What?
It's all over in the wind.
Oh, the laundry drying rack? Yeah, I did that like 4 times yesterday. Hi. Where are you going? You don't have any shoes on. It's gonna be breakfast soon, or for you, second breakfast. Yeah, this thing's not ideal. I wonder if the what the lake's like.
Is there some wind?
Well, there's been a bit of a breeze out here, so I guess I could run down there and see. But how long till? What are you thinking about ETA for breakfast?
Oh, it's cold.
Yeah, it's cold, isn't it?
Got everything ready to just put on, so.
Okay, I'll rip down there really quick just
Yeah.
to see, get a look at it, and then we'll know what we're doing.
Good morning, guys. About 20 minutes to breakfast, half an hour.
The voices from the tent. All right, come on inside, little girl. You might have to wear your Sonic the Hedgehog hoodie today, huh? Brr. Come on, darling. You're going to go in? All right. Mahalo for removing shoes. Easy to do when you're not wearing shoes. I am wearing shoes. Grandma's in the washroom.
If I'm peeing?
No, I think she's drying her hair, sweetheart. Could you imagine if that noise happened every time she peed?
For a couple days.
Yeah, well, we'll see. I'll rip down there right now.
You just check all the time before.
Oh, okay. I was just going to go down to the boat launch for now because it's easier than me doing that walk with my back just to see the lake.
Oh, absolutely.
We can always walk down and check the ties later.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Okay. All right. I will be right back. I got to go peep the lake, okay? You hold down the fort here. I will be right back. No, you stay here. I'll be right back. I'm not playing at the lake. No, I just have to go see what it looks like, okay? Because we got to know if we got to move the boat or not, okay? Okay, I'll be right back. Well, it's not the worst. We could definitely do it. You just want to watch out for whitecaps and stuff, kind of like my last Labor Day trip here. Ooh, that is actually okay. So it'll be up to Dad whether or not he actually wants to pull the boat out. See how he's feeling about that. I don't mind riding on that. Well, before breakfast is ready, may as well try to get the last little bit of editing done on the next video, just so I'm feeling slightly more productive. I think I'm gonna put my flannel on, so let's also change it to the bamboo. Put a t-shirt on. Where is it? There it is. Perfect. Boom.
You in there?
Yeah, they're ready to go. You just gonna pull the shitter, or are you gonna back up?
I'm just going to go to the alley.
Oh, okay.
Had nothing to do with the gas tank getting into this.
There you go. Look at that trailer. I forgot how squeaky that trailer was when the boat saw that one. Squeaky, 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 squeaky. it from here?
So there's 3 life jackets and a gas tank. If you wouldn't mind lifting the gas tank, Mitchell, if you feel up to it. Yeah. That's the back.
Alright, if you don't see us in an hour, just wait longer.
Look the other way. Oh, it's the other way.
There's a smoke issue in the face. Yeah, go ahead. Cars everywhere. Hey, good luck. You can do it, missiles.
Not that heavy.
Nice. Got it. Good to go. See you soon, maybe. Who knows? When you have to schlep a battery booster with you, you never know what's gonna happen. Asia's ready. She's got her life jacket on. This thing is attached to the bow. So just kind of, yeah. All right.
I should probably put my life jacket.
See what happens. If you want, you don't have to. It's not the law. It's as long as you have.
It's not the law?
No, as long as you have them on the boat for enough people. I know it's a common misconception. But also, if you're more comfortable wearing it, then there's nothing wrong with that either. That's just the way it is. Ooh, bird shit.
Lovely.
Great.
Love it.
All right, let's see how this boat goes.
You got paddles on here?
Oh yeah, there's everything you need on here.
Okay, sweet.
Are you worried you're gonna have to paddle again like you did with your father?
Yeah.
Steve! Only because I know he watches.
Yeah.
We made it to Denver.
Double view. Well, actually, double view.
There's Dad. Save us. The little red shirt right there. At least right by the launch is nice and calm. Calm enough.
Sure about that.
It'll make it real easy to pull out.
That's what she said.
Wait, did she? It's gonna be hard with Mitchell in the bow, though. Engine was acting funny
What was it?
right near the end when I got here, so I was like, yeah, you guys can get in. Whatever. We're just gonna remember, Dad, don't pull it all the way up. Keep me on an incline. And we'll let the boat take a pee. I'm good. I'm ready now. Okay, that's good. Whoa, whoa. Nobody listens to me. Pull the plug. Where is it? Huh?
This here.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Boat's taking a pee. Now we gotta put those straps on. That's for an outboard motor, like a little trolling motor.
Oh, yeah.
Wanna go a little slower.
You just got wood on it as a placeholder, yeah?
No, you would clamp it to the wood.
Oh.
You clamp the motor to the wood, and then you can remove it really easily.
Oh.
Yes, sir. I think we're good, Mickle Pickle. Plug is unplugged, the strappies are strapped. Let's go, it's raining.
Water in there. Nice little music shop.
Yeah, so this little Big Dog Music has been here in New Denver for a while. I've never been inside. It was not here when I was growing up. Thought I'd go check it out. Mitchell and Grandpa are horsing around with guitars and guitar cases as they do. But yeah, check this place out. Getting rained on. Yeah, that happens when it's raining. Good one. Hey, got her back.
You dusty.
She dusty. Hey, that's your girlfriend you're talking about.
Not you.
Hello. Oh, good. Hello. Come here. How are you?
Oh, she didn't miss you that much.
You didn't miss me? You didn't miss me?
Hey, not that much, Daddy. Not that much.
What do you want? You want some chippies? Well, we'll see about that.
Yeah, there's some open.
Well, I said we'll see. Doesn't mean yes. I gotta get the kitty cats back downstairs.
You want me to grab Kenny?
Sure. Alright. Miss Stella Bella. We gotta get you guys all squared away. Put your litter and your food too, don't we? You can go on to the bed. Here you go. Boop. Good girl. All right. Yeah, let's give you guys some more wet food, your water. You got 2 bowls of water, nice big bowl of dry food, and you will have some company oh so soon. Good girl. There we go. There's your sister.
Oh, okay.
Still is mowing while she can before it's all gone. Thanks, Mitchell.
Oh, wow. That's where you sleep?
Yeah. Sure is.
Like that litter box?
Yeah.
Oh, you got like the pellet stuff.
Yeah, I do the wood pellets. Fresh litter. Put down some more pea pads. Out of here?
Almost.
Almost.
Grandpa wants you to take a picture of all of us, I guess.
Some people's kids. That'd be me. Okay. Fine. Well, let's do that. Then we'll wrap this up. Frick.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Don't do that. It hurts. Where do you want to do this photo? We got to get going.
I know. I don't know. There's Brooklyn.
She's sleeping. Well,
She is not.
no, she's not, but she's watching cartoons. Ready?
Yep.
Fun there. Yeah, God bless, man.
All right, brother. All right. Drive safe. We'll see you soon. Hopefully we get hooked up before you leave.
Absolutely.
And if not,
Yes, thank you.
I'll send you the date for the Sandy McNabb trip.
Oh, just a minute. You lost one of your things. In the boat.
Oh, she lost one of her croc charms.
Yeah, yes, I
I hear those are expensive.
Pop it back in, eh?
That's what I'm getting. Sans Minecraft brand. All right. All right. And that is it. That was a morning around here, hauling out the boat, getting a few things done. No harm, no foul, no muss, no fuss. Until the next one, just go out there, be happy, be creative, be yourselves. Most importantly, be positive. And remember, only dead fish go with the flow. Bye, guys.